Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a multiplier. This is going to be a little bit different than an actual multiplier because to make an actual multiplier like Portal Clicker is a little bit too complicated to make. It would require at least like a few hours of preparation, but let's just show you the simple way to make a multiplier with coins, multi, and the cost of the multiplier, what to increment it, and what to do. This is just a simple, like, level 1. So I'm going to show you. This is going to be our clicker dude, and I'm going to show you what I did to make him. You click actions. In the add actions, just get yourself a conditional. In the conditions, you're going to have a player stat requirement. Their multi-stat is either greater or equal to 2. And 2 is good. There's a reason why it's 2, but just do 2, I promise. Go to if actions and add a change player stat, change your money stat, mine is coin, and increment it. Do not do multiply. Multiply, that is for like, I will make, once I can figure out how to actually make the multiplier or have a use for it, then we'll do it. Just do increment by, we'll zoom into this. You're just going to want to do it, that your multiplier stat, and then go into else actions, add that, your money stat, increment 1. So just copy all that into your clicker NPC, or maybe even a button. You can see our multiplier is 1, not 2. So you can see that else action is doing what it's supposed to do, since our multiplier is not 2. It only increments by 1. This is going to be our this is going to be where you buy your multiplier. So do what I just did. Go into player stat requirement. Your money stat needs to be greater or equal to that, which I'm also going to zoom into. That other part, that end part, is just going to be whatever you're calling it. Cost, multi-cost, whatever you want to call it. Then you're going to go back, and you're going to go to if actions. And the first one, you're going to have your money stat decrement by the stat, your cost. I'm also going to zoom into that. Then the next one is going to be your multi increment by 1. The last one is going to be your cost multi, or your, like, what you're using, increment by you can increment it by whatever you want, or you could just have the price stay the same. And then else actions, you're going to have it send a chat message like, need more clicks. And like I said, to get an actually working multiplier, it's a bit too complicated, like Portal Clicker. I'm not going to be able to go into how Portal Clicker works. That is way too hard. But you're also going to need your stuff to you're going to need your multi-cost and your multi to start at the thing. So you're going to go over to the event actions. I'm probably going to slow it down so you can see. And you can see right there, you're just going to have it equal 0. You're going to put the conditionals in the player join. You're just going to have those. As you can see, you're just going to do the same thing for the player cost. Because once they join, you're going to want them to start with 1 multiplier and the cost of the multiplier, because you don't want it just starting at 0. So I'm going to slow that clip down so you can see what I was going through, going into there. As you can see, the coins, the multiplier is now 2, and now I'm getting 2 coins every time I click. And if you could see right there, the cost went up. Now we're going to make it a little bit more fancy, so you can go to your if actions into there. You can have a display title. And also, you just put you could color it, you can make it different that. I'm just going to have an @E, which makes it yellow. Then you can put in the stat. If you're going to want to have how many coins you are getting, just do your stat.player, then your multiplier, and then underneath that for the subtitle, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to make it yellow, so I'm going to do the &E, and then I'm going to do my stat.player/coins, because I want to show you how many coins you're getting. One last thing you want to do, fade in, make 0, stay, make 1, and fade out, make 0. You always want to have those or it looks weird. You see right there, I'm getting 2, because that's how much multiplier I have, and I'm getting a bunch of coins. I'm not clicking that fast, I just hold down the button, which apparently people don't know you can do that. I just bought a bunch of multiplier, I have 7, now I'm getting 7 coins per click. And tons of different types, getting tons of money. And you can implement this into your own game. I'll show you what happens if you do make it multiply. This is what happens if you have it multiply. Yeah, you want your players to, don't use multiply. Yeah, it goes into the negatives. There are a few things you can do to make it actually work. But like I said, that'd be really hard to do. And that's like a portal clicker thing. They did something for that to work. We're just going to start off with the basics. But let me show you how I implement this into my own game. Put myself in survival mode. So we got the clicks, and we got the multiplier shop right there. So you can see I have 12 multiplier, and I'm getting 12 clicks. And if I go into it, it's pretty much the same. This time I used 1, because I built it just a little bit different, but it's technically just the same. That's really all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It was a short video. There wasn't really much you can do with a multiplier. It's mostly for clicker games. But I want to say again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Any questions, put them in the comments. Bye.